right, so let me just show the miss. So the Selva Maggio, the vintage is on the back, 1999, last bottle that we have, okay?
This is beautiful. Last bottle.
Last bottle, last bottle.
That's great luck for us. Here for it. Yeah, we are in Vegas.
I'm just excited because you were saying that you like kind of earthier styles, and I just feel like for the price and the quality, there's not much that can match this on the wine list. It's crazy.
I saw your eyes light up when I said that.
Well, that's what I was saying. I was like, as soon as you said earthy, I'm like, how can I not do this for you guys? There's so many good values on the wine list. It's just hard because there's so many pages. So it's really tough to get through them. And usually when you're at dinner, and you're kind of just trying to hang out with your people that you're with, you don't want to go through this, you know? So it's nice when you have someone that can just tell you.
I do feel like I got my workout in.
Yeah, that's why I go to the gym. It's crazy. Thing's heavy, man. It is heavy.
I mean, it looks heavy. Yeah, it's formidable.
I mean, it's serious.
It's a big,
Let's roll down.
It sounds nice. I always joke that I got my arms from lifting my bag in the overhead bin.
Oh,
It's just that. It's just this overhead press of the luggage.
Pork is like perfect.
I'm Monday. So two of my best friends live here, which is really nice. So I come do the show, sit with them, and then just don't have to get back on the phone with everyone else, which is actually. And I also there's always a lot of meetings. Like I can sit and make my list of things.
This is like crazy nose, crazy nose. First taste?
Yes, please.
Sounds good. I figured.
She's got the palate.
You give me boss energy, so like, you know what I mean? I like it. I think it's great.
I think you're good at reading energy.
I just feel it. It's nice. I love it.
Hey, I love it. I'm so
All
happy.
right.
I do a lot of boss things this week.
I just feel like it. Yeah, you give a good energy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my goodness, that smells.
Constantly like just in awe of like people's ability to smell and taste. Because I'm like, I feel like a Neanderthal most
Oh,
of the
this
time.
is so fun.
Crazy.
This is so much more delicate than I would have expected.
It reminds me of the label, like the floral note
is,
and
it's
like
like
a
a
little bit
petal.
more of that. Exactly.
It's
It-
very
It's very
soft.
sophisticated, like us,
Yeah.
right? Elegant, sophisticated.
Holy moly, that is aged well.
I agree. And that cork was like absolutely flawless, which is always nice too.
Now I feel terrible for about to going to get a Stein.
That's the cool part.
Yeah, I know.
That's the cool
That's
part.
exactly why it's great.
Contain
Like, that's the
multitudes.
beautiful dichotomy of Vegas.
Agreed. You can do anything,
Anything
man.
you
It's one of the
want.
things I love about it.
Agreed.
You can have both. Yes, I love it too. It is truly one of the things I love about the city. I cherish that.
Enjoy it while it's here, you guys.
Cheers, yeah.
Cheers, cheers, enjoy. Thanks for joining us. Thank you.
Yeah, well, I was like, this was like, it's like a list.
You're in a nice little
Right?